Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys an updated way to waterproof your stickers. I do have a tutorial on how to make waterproof stickers for some keychains, or I think the official title was like waterproof keychains or something like that, where I used waterproof paper. Now, that is still one way to waterproof your stickers, is just by using some waterproof paper. And I will show you guys the paper, and I will link it down below if you just kind of want to take the easy way out and use the waterproof paper. If not, if you would rather go the more efficient way, then today I'm going to show you guys how to waterproof your stickers using lamination paper, the single-sided lamination paper. In my previous bookmark video, I cut them out by hand, but I have figured out a hack to put them through my Cricut machine with the laminating paper on there so that the Cricut will cut it. So I am going to show you guys how to make stickers in Cricut Design Space with single-sided lamination paper and your Cricut machine. That was a mouthful. Okay, I'm just going to jump right into it. I'm going to be making my my podcast logo into a sticker. So what I did was in Canva, I uploaded this picture into Canva. It did have a background. I just uploaded this picture into Canva, and then I removed the background, and then I downloaded it with a transparent background so that I did not have any cleaning up to do once I brought it over to Cricut Design Space, and then I uploaded it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add the offset feature to it. You're going to see the little blue line pop up, and that's kind of thick. I don't want it to be that thick. So I think that's good right there. We're going to go ahead and apply it. Now you can see kind of the black outline that's around it. I don't want black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select just the offset feature over here to the right. And then I'm going to come over here to the left, and we're going to select our color palette here. And then I'm going to pick a color. I want like a beigey color, which is kind of like my brand color. Just a light kind of beige to go around it. I don't feel like looking for my actual brand beige. So I'm just going to play with it. Okay, I like this. I'm going to go ahead and choose this and leave it this color. Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to select both the offset and the picture, and we're going to attach, and then we are going to flatten. And when you flatten it, that's just going to make sure that your Cricut cuts the offset only and not your picture. If you do not flatten and you send it to your Cricut machine is going to first cut out your girl, and then it's going to cut the offset feature out separately. So this, when you flatten it, it's just going to cut around the offset only and not around the actual image. Okay, so now we have this part done. This is going to be one sticker. And then I want to have maybe like my name. I'm going to put this on a tumbler, the sticker on the tumbler. And I think I want my name to maybe go on the side over here. So I'm just going to get a text box, and then I'm going to type my name. And then I'm going to choose a different font. This is one I uploaded. I don't want to do that one. Let me see. I do want kind of like a chunkier but pretty font. I think I might like this one. Let me see this one. It didn't change. Nah. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the other one I had, which was, I think it was this one. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with this one. The tumbler that I have is, I think it's black. So I want, do I want this to be white? I'm going to change my canvas color to black. That's just going to allow me to be able to see how it's going to look. The stickers, I think I might do this white. Or maybe I should do it this color and then add the offset. Let's bring it down a little bit. And then change the offset to the same color as the other one. Or maybe I should do white. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, so I'm going to select those, attach, and flatten. Actually, no, I'm not, because I don't know what just happened. Let's see. Flatten. There we go. Okay. So this is also going to be a sticker. So now I'm trying to decide if I want to make it one big one like this, or maybe turn it to the side like that. I don't know what I want to do. I think I might leave it, I might do it like this. Yep, I'm gonna go with this. Okay, so I'm gonna select all of this. Maybe I should make it one big sticker. No, I don't know what I want to do, you guys. I guess I should have figured out my design before I started recording. I think I'm gonna do it like this, but I'm gonna do it in 2 different stickers. I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate both of these because I want 2 of each sticker. And then I need to go ahead and measure my tumbler so that I know what size to make the sticker. So I'm gonna grab my tumbler. And I just have this, I'll show you guys the tumbler, but it's just a black tumbler with a straw that I believe I got it from Michael's. And I'm measuring it right now. Let's see, it's about 6 inches high. So I think I'm gonna make this, like if I wanted to add this with it, I should probably make the sticker maybe about 4 inches. And then maybe make this a little bit smaller. So yeah, that should work. So we're gonna make this, it was already about 4 inches anyway. And then I'm gonna delete that one and just duplicate it because I've already resized it. Okay. Then what you're gonna do, you wanna make sure everything is flattened, which it is. We're gonna go over to make it. And then it's going to put everything on, you know, what it can for us. So we have almost everything on one sheet. We are not going to mirror. So do not mirror this. We're going to go over to continue. Oh, let me turn my machine on. And then the paper, I will show you guys the paper that I'm using. You can use, if you use this method with the laminating, you can use pretty much any sticker paper because you're just going to laminate it anyway. But I am going to use a matte paper and I will show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my camera and I'll show you guys my paper and we'll get this loaded and cut and I will show you guys all of that as well. So I will meet you over at my craft table. Okay guys, so I'm back here and I do have my stickers printed out. So here they are. I kind of went with some big stickers, but that's okay. But this is the matte, the waterproof paper. well, it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. Okay, this is the paper that I was talking about, and I will link this down below if you want to just kind of take the shortcut and purchase the water resistant paper. You can. They have two kinds. They have matte, which is this one, and they also have the glossy, which is this one. And I have put the glossy paper through the Cricut machine, and it does register the registration marks, so you can cut it in the Cricut machine with no problem. But you get 15 in a package. They're 15 durable and water resistant permanent sticker sheets, and this is the matte one. And then, like I said, they also come in a glossy, which this is the one I used when I did the keychains with the pictures. I used this paper. Now, this is pretty expensive for just these 15 sheets. So the hack that I'm going to show you today is if you are not trying to spend the money on these water resistant sticker sheets. So what I'm going to do, I have my light grip mat here. Actually, I'm going to leave this on. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my laminating paper on here. Let me grab that. So here's the single-sided laminating sheets, the Scotch brand. Y'all have seen me use these bunches of times before. I'm just going to go ahead and use this again today. And then I'm going to show you the hack to get it to register so that we can put this through the Cricut machine. So we're just going to put it down. And then I'm going to take my little XL scraper, and we're just going to make sure it's nice and sealed. And this is going to make your sticker nice and glossy, but it's also going to make it waterproof as well. Okay, so now I have that stuck down. Now what I'm just going to do is go ahead and cut the excess off before we put it into our machine. And like I said, last time when I did the bookmarks, you know, I put it on here and I cut it with an X-Acto knife. And then I got a lot of comments. They were like, you can put it through your Cricut. So I'm like, okay, I'll try it. So that's what we're doing today. We are going to put this through the Cricut. Okay, so now I'm just going to stick this onto my light grip mat. The light grip mat, which is the light blue one, is for paper crafts. It's just a lighter grip. Obviously, for stuff like vinyl, you need more grip than you would like this piece of paper. Okay, so now we have that one here. Now, what you can do is you can go over the registration marks with a marker. Sometimes that doesn't always work for me. I've tried it a bunch of times before. Okay, guys, so I'm back here now. I was gonna do the tape, but I decided that I wanted to try it without the tape to see if my Cricut would register it without the tape. So I wanted to try that first. So I went ahead, the two pieces of tape I put on here, I went ahead and I took those off, and then I ran it through my Cricut. Now the setting that I used was printable sticker paper clear. There was two options: printable sticker paper clear and printable sticker paper white. I picked the printable sticker paper clear setting, and my Cricut maker did go ahead and register it without the tape. So I did not have to use the tape. So I'm going to show you guys how to take this off the mat without having it curling up. You just flip it over and you peel the mat away from your paper. That way your paper doesn't curl up. Okay, so here's our paper. And then we're just going to go ahead. Let me grab my tumbler. Sorry, I dropped my tumbler, but here it is. It's just a black tumbler that I got from Michaels, and it comes with like a straw. Real simple, real basic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off my sticker, and it comes right up, guys. One pass. Like I said, printable sticker paper, clear. You see how glossy that is because of the lamination paper we used? And once again, I made this too big. I always make my stuff too big, always, every time. That's okay. I'm gonna just cut it a little bit. I don't know, maybe my measuring technique is off because I always make my stuff too big. I guess I would rather it be too big than too small. I don't know. But there it is, and then I got a little piece right here I need to cut off because, like I said, I made it too big. And where are my scissors? Here they are. Okay, so there's the sticker, super cute. And then if you wanted to, you could go ahead and you could seal this if you wanted to with epoxy, or do I want to put it over there? See, now I don't know how I want to put it. Do I want to put it like that, or do I want to put it like this? I think I'm gonna put it like this. You can seal it with epoxy if that's what you do. You can seal it with your crystal lac. You can seal it with whatever you use to seal your stuff with. Okay. But there is the sticker. I wanted to put this other one on my notebook, but I think I left my notebook at home. Oh, you know what? I have a white water bottle. So, I don't know if you guys remember, this was from my sublimation haul. So I'm going to put this one on this white one. And I'm going to put this one like off on the side, like that. I haven't cut out the other sticker yet, so I can't use it just yet to show you guys, but I can put it on here like that. And see, now it's a sticker and it's nice and glossy. And like I said, it is waterproof because we did the lamination. If you wanted to go ahead and seal this, you can. That's your business, whatever you want to do. Okay? But that is how you waterproof your stickers, guys. That's all I have for this video. If you have any video ideas, content ideas, drop them down below and I'll see if I can get those videos out for you guys. Any questions, comments, concerns, drop those down below as well. Just no trolling, please. And I will link everything down in the description box as well. I actually don't like that across the front like that. I'm so indecisive. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Or you know what? I think I'm just gonna take this angel sticker off altogether. I think I just like that one. But anyways, that is how you make your stickers waterproof. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.